Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck selection in South Arkansas. We just got another beautiful run ready. This is a 2011 Ford F-150 King Ranch. That's top of the line for Ford's F-150 brand. It's a two-tone brown. It's got the alloy wheels, fixed running boards, the big tow mirrors on it. It's got the 6.5 foot versus the 5.5 foot bed. That's not the 8 foot bed, it's the one in between. You got a little extra step there for getting in the rear bed. You should be able to get a four-wheeler in there and close the gate with that 6.5 foot bed. It's got backup radar, backup camera built in there under the logo. Rear sliding glass. There's a rear step that comes out of the rear tailgate too. Got those nice alloy rims. It is a 4x4 off-road. Inside we got the Sony premium sound system, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. You got our fog lights, automatic lights, power pedals, power steering adjustment, of course power seats and memory seats. The seats have been reconditioned in the brown leather of the King Ranch. We got Microsoft Sync, which includes our Bluetooth, heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, as well as dual air control. Got a built-in trailer brake, part of the towing package. Four-wheel drive with a locking differential option. Of course, our CD player and all of our tunes there. Got in-steering media controls, including Bluetooth. Go ahead and start her up. 163,000 miles, no engine warning lights. Up here in the mirror, we've got the backup camera with guides. There's our rear sliding window control. In the back, we've got the rear heated seats on the door panel there. Lots of room. Some charging ports. The seats in the back also looking good. Got those nice logos built right in. Got nice fixed running boards. Seats look really nice. As you can see with those lines, you got rear defrost window. Look how big those mirrors are. Great for towing anything. Got these nice F-150 customized floor mats. Gorgeous rims. Under the hood, we got a 5.0 liter V8 engine. Runs nice and quiet. Love to get you approved on this truck. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the credit application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.